Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix speaker not working on your OPPO Find X9. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in these settings. So let's quickly go over there. Now here in these settings, we want to go over to the sound and vibration. Here we're going to check our volume levels, and as you guys can see, my volume levels are definitely up here and I haven't muted anything. So if your speaker is still not working from having your volume almost at 75% or almost all the way up, then what you guys can do is clean the speaker grill. So here we have the speaker grill. Now we can easily clean it with a soft brush. We can get rid of any dirt that's inside of it, and that can also stop blocking the sound. And what you guys can do next after you clean the speaker grill is disable Bluetooth to make sure that audio is not being rerouted to any other headphones or maybe a car or anything that's Bluetooth related and connected to this device. So now let's just disable the Bluetooth, and as a last resort, what you guys can do is update your software. So where you update your software, in the settings we need to scroll down until we see system and update. Now we want to go to the software update, and as you guys can see, it says that version is up to date. So that means my ColorOS version is the latest and I do not have any updates to do. And if you do not see version up to date right here, then I would recommend you guys updating your software, because it's very important to keep up with the latest changes. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.